Hello and welcome to Dresden. Today I show you a beautiful 48 square meter apartment which is located in a very central district. It's called Furnished. Everything you need, supermarkets, bus and train stations are surrounded very close. So let's go inside and get some impressions of the apartment. This 48 square meter apartment has two separate rooms. It's full furnished and high quality equipped. Here's the key, let's go inside. So let's start with the kitchen. In the kitchen you find an oven, a microwave, of course included is a dishwashing machine and the fridge. It's a high quality fridge with a freezer. Everything you need in this kitchen and all the typical kitchen stuff is included. Here you find a coffee machine, a toaster and a water boiler is also included. So let's go next to the separate room. Here's a separate room what you can use as working space. You can host some guests if you want. In the sleeping area you find enough space for your personal clothes. You see it's a well organized board. We have enough space to store your items. You get an extra large double bed. And here you find a battery rechargeable vacuum cleaner to clean the apartment. In the living room there's a second workspace which is also connected to the internet. In this apartment you get a 20 Mbit Wi-Fi internet connection, and also connected to the internet is the 40-inch smart television. Let's go to the bathroom. In the bathroom you will find your washing machine. It's a high quality washing machine. Here you find a heater where you can dry and warm up your towels, and you get a very beautiful, well designed shower in this apartment. So everything you need here is included. If you want to rent this beautiful apartment, you only have to bring your towels, your bed clothes and your personal stuff, and you can move in. If you want to find out more about how it is to live in Dresden, we made a special extra video with all the surroundings in this area. You will find it in the video description. So feel free to contact us. Hope to see you soon, and bye bye.